Malaysia Kota Kinabalu International Airport Arrival and Driver Pickup Guide. Kota Kinabalu International Airport has one main terminal building, with separate arrival halls and exit gates for international and domestic flights. Please follow the instructions below to ensure a smooth pickup. International flight arrivals. After getting off the plane, walk through the jet bridge and follow the signs for international arrivals, transfers. Continue walking forward. You will soon see a large yellow sign reading International Arrivals and a standing sign for immigration clearance. There is a Starbucks coffee shop at this turning point. Take the escalator down and you will arrive at immigration. After clearing immigration, follow the baggage reclaim signs to collect your luggage. Each baggage carousel shows the flight number on the screen above it. After collecting your baggage, follow the signs to the arrival hall. You will pass a second security check before entering the public area. After passing the first glass door, you enter the International Arrival Hall. Walk straight through and exit the second glass door. You are now outside at the meeting point where the columns are clearly numbered. International arrivals exit at column 1. Your car will be waiting at column 1. Please check the car plate number and your driver will assist you with your luggage. Domestic flight arrivals. Domestic arrivals use arrival halls 2, 3, 4, and 5. This example shows arrival hall 2. When you book our car service, we collect your flight number and provide you with the car plate number in advance. Your car will wait at the corresponding numbered column. As shown here, column 5 is for within Sabah arrivals and is also the e-hailing taxi pickup zone.